Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Find and Recode to correct mistakes in Xero. This powerful feature helps you quickly locate and fix transaction coding errors across multiple records at once, saving you hours of manual work. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the Sign In option at the top of the screen. Click on it and enter your Xero credentials to access your account. Make sure you have your login details ready so you can move through this process smoothly. After signing in, you'll land on your Xero dashboard. If you manage multiple businesses, you'll need to select the specific organization you want to work on. Look to the top left corner of your screen where you'll see the business name displayed. Click on it to choose the correct organization from your list. This ensures that any changes you make apply to the right set of accounts. Now, direct your attention to the main navigation bar and click on Accounting. This section houses all your core accounting tools and features. A drop-down menu will appear with several options for managing your financial data. From this drop-down menu, locate and click on Find and Recode. This tool is specifically designed to help you search for transactions that need correction and recode them efficiently. Once you click it, you'll be directed to a new page where you can set up the conditions for finding the transactions you wish to recode. This is where the real work begins. On this page, you'll see options to add conditions that will filter your search. From the drop-down selection, choose the field you want to search by. There are various options available, but for this tutorial, we'll use the type filtering. This allows you to search based on transaction type, which is particularly useful when you need to fix coding errors across similar entries. In the next field, you'll need to select the condition. You'll have a choice between ease and ease not. This determines whether you're looking for transactions that match your criteria or exclude them. Choose the option that fits what you're trying to accomplish. If you're looking for specific transaction types that need recoding, select Ease. Now it's time to select the transaction type. Click on the drop-down and choose the type that's relevant to your search, whether it's for invoices, bills, payments, or any other account-related transaction. This narrows down your search to exactly what needs correction. Once you've configured all your search parameters, click on Search. Xero will now process your request and display all transactions that match your criteria. From here, you can review the results and make the necessary recoding changes to correct any mistakes. And that's it. You've successfully used Find and Recode to identify and correct transaction errors in Xero. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.